everyone and good evening. My name is Abdul Muqeed, 13 years old, student of 8th grade, also known as the paper bag boy. Have a look at this bag. It is recognized worldwide as a Muku bag. Yes, it has spread from the Middle East to the Far East Indonesia, to England, Netherlands, the United States of America, Lebanon, Qatar, India, and many other countries. You may ask why. Why is this bag so special? Is it covered with diamonds? Or is it special? No. It is a simple, handmade, recycled paper bag. This bag has taken me to the United Nations Environment Programme in Indonesia, to the COP18 conference in Qatar, to the Kids Are Heroes annual event in the United States of America, to the World Future Council event in the UAE. And this bag has also bagged me the prestigious Abu Dhabi Award, the highest civilian award of the Emirate, given by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of the UAE and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces. And I have also got the International Diana Award and many other such awards. You may ask why. Why is this bag so special? It is because this bag has a very serious issue behind it. The serious issue is to save the environment from the ill effects of the plastic bag. This bag was created by a 3rd grade student when he was upset as to why the plastic bags were harming the environment a lot and why we were still using it. The plastic bag harms the environment a lot. It takes 450 to 1000 years to decompose. That means that the first ever plastic bag created on this earth still exists somewhere on this planet. Millions of innocent animals and sea creatures die due to eating plastic bags. The plastic bag creates a lot of pollution and global warming. Due to global warming, the glaciers have been melting faster than expected and sea level has been rising. These all are just a few harms of plastic bag on the environment. That is why I asked myself, should we continue to be quiet on this serious issue? Should we continue to be inactive? Should we continue using the plastic bags for a convenience? And the answer was no, never. Then I thought, if we don't use the plastic bags, what can we use? That is when I remembered the great Mahatma Gandhi's quote, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." And then I decided to recycle old newspapers and make bags like these, and decided to give them free of cost to the neighboring shops. That is how this bag was created. I am very happy that because of this bag, thousands of people have stopped the usage of plastic bags. To create awareness, I go to schools, hospitals, corporate offices, shops, public gardens, eco clubs, camps, etc. to create awareness against the plastic bags. Inspired by my campaign, Indian Institute of Technology, BHU, in Varanasi, India, had made me the brand ambassador for the Technics program, and also decided that 10,000 students would make 500,000 paper bags. I am also very happy to tell all of you that after my visit to Varanasi, the local railway station over there had banned the usage of plastic bags. That is my objective, awareness, to spread and create it. Because awareness is the key. The more people know, the more will act on it, and hence the overall usage of plastic will reduce. I know I have not created a very big aeroplane or something very special, but I have taken a small step which has led it to a very big impact. So friends, do not wait for something big to happen that can make a very big difference. Take a small step and I assure you it will make a very big impact. And remember, very big rivers of water start with a small drop of water. Now, I would like to share with you some tips you can use in daily life to save the environment. Avoid the usage of plastic bags, use eco-friendly bags. Avoid the usage of plastic bottles, use reusable bottles. For going to near distances, avoid using the car, go by cycling or walking. Use your staircase more often and dispose of the waste in a segregated bins. With these tips, you can save money, health, nature, and the Mother Earth. If you want to know more tips on how to save environment, you can always go to the internet and check it. Our President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, has said that saving environment is not the duty of the government alone. It is the duty of every citizen to do their part and save the environment. So friends, please take a step to save the environment. It is upon us to make this earth a better place. I would like to conclude that plant more trees, use less water, do more recycling, and do not use the plastic bags. And remember, everything on this earth can be recycled, but not time. So take an action fast before time runs out. And remember, if you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito. Thank you and have a nice evening. I would also like to thank TEDx and Raffles World Academy for inviting me here today to speak. Thank you.